Hi, this is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that handles birth injury cases throughout the nation. I've been doing a series on birth injuries, and I now have the sixth part of this series, cerebral palsy from birth injuries. I now want to go over the outcomes and life with cerebral palsy. CP is a lifelong condition, and the brain injury is not reversible. It's important to know that many individuals with CP lead rich, fulfilling lives. Outcomes depend on severity and associated conditions, but here are some broad points. Mobility. Thanks to therapies, mobility aids, and sometimes surgeries, a large portion of people with CP can walk, at least for short distances or with assistive devices. According to data, over 50% of children with CP can walk independently without assistive devices. About 85% can walk either independently or with a handheld mobility device. Those who cannot walk can often use wheelchairs or walkers to be mobile. CP by itself is a motor condition, but because the brain injury can sometimes be widespread or due to events that also affect the brain globally, about half of children with CP have some level of intellectual disability. The other half have the average to above average intelligence. It's important to never assume a child with CP is cognitively impaired just because they can't speak or control their movements. Many have a lot to tell and just need means like communication devices to express themselves. If you have a child that has a birth injury that caused cerebral palsy, I'm happy to go over the details with you and review the records. We can sit down and determine if there's a viable claim. If there is, we will come up with a detailed strategy to bring the suit and hopefully obtain the compensation that you deserve, and you can help set up care for your child in the future. If you'd like to do that consult, you can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.